This is Leo. He loves to draw. Leo is poor. He has no money.
But he has a big dream. He wants to be an artist.
One day, the wind blows. Look! Is this? It is an art contest. The prize is a big box of paints. I must win! I must paint! But wait, I have no paper. And I have no paints. How can I paint?
Leo walks in the town. He is very sad. Then he smells something good.
Hello, Mr. Thomas.
Hello, Leo. Why are you sad?
I want to paint, but I have nothing.
Wait here! He looks in the fire. He finds a black stick. It is charcoal. And he finds a big paper bag.
Here you go, my boy.
Thank you so much. Now I have paper. Black charcoal is good, but it has no color. I need blue. I need green. I need red. Wait! What is this?
It is red juice.
It is red paint! Beautiful red. I need more colors. Green leaves. Green paint! Yellow flowers. Brown mud. Brown paint.
Leo works all night. He is very tired.
But he loves his work.
Sleep well, Leo.
It is morning. Today is the contest.
He holds his painting.
He runs very fast. Many kids are here.
They have beautiful paper.
They have real paints.
Look at him.
His clothes are dirty.
That is not real paper. This is fake paper. You won't win.
Leo feels bad. He is thinking, how can I win the contest? I need to win the contest anyhow.
He wants to go home.
But he remembers his dream. He stays.
He puts his painting down. The judge is here.
She is Miss Clara.
She looks at the first painting.
It is good.
She looks at the second painting. It is nice. She walks to Leo.
Leo is nervous.
She looks at the paper bag.
She is surprised.
What is this red?
It is berry juice.
And this green?
It is from leaves.
It is beautiful.
Listen to me!
This boy has true talent.
He is the winner!
The other kids are surprised. Mr. Thomas is very happy. He is jumping and enjoying. Everyone's surprised. Leo's dream comes true.
Did I win?
Here is your prize, Leo.
Thank you so much. Look at all the colors.
Red, blue, yellow, green.
Leo is a real artist now.
Dreams can come true. Never give up.
Always keep trying.
Subscribe and follow Learn English Method.